Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is just going to be a quick update on some stuff that I showed y'all in my backyard about, I don't know, maybe like a month or so ago. Y'all, it is hot out here, so we ain't going to be out here too long. I'm going to make this video quick. But let's go ahead and see what's going on in my backyard. Alright, now we're just going to start over here by the aloe vera plants. I remember I had showed y'all, you know, I have like this row is 10 aloe vera plants, and you can see they obviously healthy because you see this little sprout thing right here. That means that seeds are about to grow out of this aloe vera to start spreading, and probably if the seeds settle in the right place, which will be probably right back in the plant, you know, I'll have more aloe vera growing. And I don't want to get too close. Now y'all see how thin this thing is, and I'm about to walk down this way. If I fall in the pool, y'all better not laugh at me. And then I have, remember I bought this butterfly net I was telling y'all about, just to get like little small things out the pool. We just call him Robot. So there's the robot that cleans like the bottom of the pool and stuff every day. He worked from 9 to 5. But you know, little things like on the top, you know, we have like little leaves and stuff or whatever. I can use this, you know, to get that instead of getting the full large pool net that I'll show you in a little bit. But here's the plants, and I told y'all, like, they have spiders like all around in these plants everywhere. Let me hold this up. But you can see the aloe vera, they are alive and well. Look at that. I think that's a spider right there. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. I'm going to go ahead and leave him alone because I don't want him bothering me or biting me. And I'm pretty sure they'll keep to themselves unless you bother them. But, you know, when I got to pick my leaves, you know, because I need my leaves. It's time for me to make some more of that face and hair mask too that I had. So this is my out of control cherry tree that I really need to look up how to prune this tree. And I think I explained this to you earlier, where you see in the middle here, like when it was a baby, I picked off the two like top branches from off of this trunk because I thought it was dead. It wasn't, but nothing have grown up from the base trunk. Everything is sprouting and growing around. And I need to do something about that. I just don't know what to do. So I'm just letting it grow. It's obviously very healthy and green, even though you can tell that the ground of the yard is really dry. Now, I don't know if you recall from the last video, but we have gotten like more grass in the yard since then. I know it still look patchy and kind of raggedy, but we have more grass in the yard. This is still my dead avocado. Y'all, I know it's 100% dead, but I just can't bring myself to dig it up. I want to get another avocado tree. And instead of planting it right here, though, I'm going to plant it next to my other cherry tree that I'm going to show you in a couple minutes. This is my orange tree, which is not dead because it's still green, but I don't know the last time we had flowers on this tree. I just don't even know. And no, speaking of flowers, the flowers and plants and stuff that I had bought, we put them in the ground around the trees, like rosemary and like some flowers and stuff. Number one, we was trying to attract bees and ladybugs and other things that help to pollinate, even like hummingbirds and stuff. But also put herbs and stuff around the trees that will help to like get the bugs and detract the bugs, especially spiders, from crawling in the trees. I'm gonna let y'all know that ain't worked like at all. Here is, let me back up a little bit. Here is our lovely apple tree. This is a Fuji apple tree. And you can see all around, y'all, they have a big old green spider in here. And if I have a picture of it, I'm gonna put it up. But they have a huge green spider, and you can't really tell where he is because he green. Let's see. Look, let me I gotta go in front of myself, but because I do not want to get caught slipping. But you can see, like, they have apples like all over this tree. They growing in, like, the branches bent over from the apples. They got 4 apples right there. They got apples right there. If y'all see the spider, please let me know. Even though by the time you tell me, I might already be attacked. I can see webbing like in the tree, but I can't see the spider. Because like I keep saying, he is green. And you see some apples down there. Like, they have apples all over. And I'm just waiting for them to get a little bit bigger. They get like big as like tennis balls about. And then they have like a little red on them. See, like these have like some red on them. But they get about maybe a little bit bigger. Like tennis balls are a little bit bigger. And then that's when I start picking them and eating them. Because they, oh y'all, they so good. They are like crispy, crunchy, just sweet. And here's some more like apples down here. So I can't wait to eat those. And I'm going to tear them up. Come pick them right off the tree, y'all. Sure will. This is the lemon tree. And they have like buku lemons. They got lemons like all over this tree. And the main thing for us though is just trying to keep the trees and stuff watered and the aloe vera watered. You know, so they can continue to grow. Look at all them lemons, y'all. Who you think ain't gonna be making lemonade? I'm gonna be making my aloe vera and lemon face mask. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And again, I put more like flowers and herbs down here at the bottom. And like I said, it's supposed to deter like the bugs and stuff from attacking the trees. And it's not, they're not really attacking the trees. But what they're doing is killing all the bees and the bugs that we need to pollinate. So this is my lemon tree. And then that's the other cherry tree. So in between this area right here is where I wanted to put the avocado tree when I buy it. Now y'all, I got to be careful because these spiders be in these trees, y'all. I'm serious. So this is our cherry tree. It's not cherry season, so you know, no flowers and stuff, but this tree does flower, and it does produce cherries. And I put some more flowers and stuff down here. I definitely gotta water it. So this green, like little sprinkler hose that you see, because we don't have irrigation in the backyard, this little green hose is what you see, and it goes all around the aloe vera plants. That's what we use to water the yard. And then plus I have the like the little bucket, the little watering bucket. And I use that. Y'all, now let me show you the disaster. Y'all remember the beautiful garden? And I bought all the little plants and stuff for the garden. I don't know if you can see it because it's mostly shade. Almost everything is growing pretty good except my tomato plant. Y'all, let me tell you what happened. It's called a green moth. And them little suckers came and laid eggs. And the caterpillars ate up the leaves. And you can see over here, so as the leaves just like get destroyed, and it done already took 2 of my tomatoes, which you can see right there, I just pick them off. And you know, I'm just trying to save what I can. I done sprayed all kind of like natural you know, stuff, because I don't really want to put pesticides on here, because then, you know, I got to eat that and I don't want to put pesticides. So I put like natural like deterrents and stuff, and it worked for the moment. But you know, I would have to continuously spray, you know, like every couple of days. And y'all, I just don't remember to do it. This is the yellow bell pepper, and you can see kind of like sunflowers starting. This is the green bell pepper, and you can see like the flowers coming. And every flower is going to be a bell pepper. So this is the zucchini, and I got something that's trying to eat that too. But you see like those orange looking flowers. So every flower, and they got some more like baby ones, they still green, but every flower is going to be a zucchini. This is some more rosemary, and you see like I put the names I have like the labels, y'all, and that's so I could remember what I done put in the ground. We got some sweet basil, lemon thyme, and I think this is lemon balm. And then here's my watermelon plants, and you can see like the little buds for the flowers and stuff coming up. And again, you know, every flower have the potential to be a fruit. And then this is just the pool from another angle. This part in the front, you know, this is the spa part. And I have a cover that's down there at the other end where you see the silver like bar. There's a cover that covers the whole pool, and that helps because it's so hot. You know, the water evaporate, and ain't nobody got no money to keep, you know, filling up the pool. Look at that, y'all. Look at that spider. Look. Let me see if y'all could. I hope I'm pointing to it. I don't know if you could see it. I bet you he not dead though. But I ain't gonna get him out. That's for somebody else to do. I ain't, If his legs start moving, I'ma jump. But I could take this net and get him out, y'all, but I'm scared. I ain't even gonna lie. But like these little things, like little stuff like that. Oh, I forgot to show you. See the robot girl, he climbs the walls and everything, y'all. Thank you, Mr. Robot, for keeping the pool clean. But I like this little small net because I can just get, you know, like little bitty things, you know, out of it. This is like the full, you know, pool net, and you see how long this thing is and how big this is. I ain't got time to be, you know, picking out this whole thing, and you know, just to get like a leaf. And plus we have a pool guy, and he do all of that. Let him do it. We already paying him for it. Oh, this was the other, so I fill this up with water too, you know, and really make sure I get the trees, you know, nice and watered and stuff like that. I was supposed to water them this morning and I didn't. Now it's too hot to water them, so they're gonna have to wait until this evening. This is in this jar right here. This is my oil that I started it on June the 30th, and it's ready already. It's already been sitting out here for more than a month, like a month and a half now. But I'm gonna just let it sit out because I still have a lot of the other oil. I just wanted to give y'all a little update, just to let y'all know I don't just be doing something one time or saying something, you know, in one time and then it disappear. Nah, I'm still doing it, still gardening, still DIYing. That's DIY is part of my life. I've been doing this since before YouTube was a thing. So this ain't new. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to show y'all my backyard, give you a little update. Hopefully the next time I bring you out here, I am picking apples and lemons off the tree. I will have already probably picked off several aloe vera leaves and already processed them. You know, maybe I have a bell pepper or two. You never know. And hopefully by then somebody been and got that spider from out that pool. You heard? Y'all enjoy your day. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everybody you know. Until next time, bye.